Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So there's an interesting market situation on the VIX 51S index. I'm looking to buy in this index from this point. I expect price to sell into this zone for the buys. So why do I expect to buy on this index? What's my view and analysis on this index? And today we'll be having the market breakdown and the market analysis. Price action, basically we're analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. So looking at the daily time frame structure, we can see this index has been bullish for some time. So when it comes to looking at future opportunities or analyzing the market as a price action trader, always do well to start from a higher time frame, spot the market structure, identify the market levels and zones, market formations and patterns, then look at for your entries. So in the daily time frame, we've got this market structure which we've seen price create series of higher lows and higher highs formation. Whenever market creates series of higher lows and higher highs, it means that the market is bullish, price is in an uptrend. And in a bullish market, our interest should be on the buy side of the market, right? So we've got the series of higher lows and higher highs at this point, having the first highs, the second highs, third highs, and the last highs the market created, the last highs at this point. So after this, we'll spot the market levels and zones on this time frame. Let's clear this off so we can spot the trend support and trend resistance level properly, because on trend lines, we have our support levels, trend support levels, and trend resistance levels. So let's clear this off. Yeah, so we've got the market in an uptrend here on the daily time frame in its trend, seeing series of higher lows and higher highs at this point. So the next thing we do is identify the levels and zones on this time frame. So we have one of those important levels here. The level of same price react on a couple of times, getting, let me check historical moves. Basically, we've seen a couple of reactions on this level, getting price buy support, support here, support at this point, support here, support here, support here as well. This level got broken to resistance price sold. So this has been a strong level of support before it got broken at this point. Market sold, came back to the same level, give this little sales, pushed up back again, and has been buying since then. Market bought here, it got broken at this point, got the retest, sells, there was a breakout retest, we got the buys, and the new level was formed at this point, the level of 8,578. That was the new level that was formed on this index, and it happens to be a buy zone because it's the level that is closest to price value. So we've identified the levels and zones we've got on this daily time frame. The next thing we do is to go to the next time frame, which is what the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see we've got some important formations. For an example, we saw this counter trend. Let's start from the beginning, basically, beginning of this trend. So here, the market created this descending channel formation, which got broken instead of this uptrend. These moves are called corrections or retracements. This is the overall, this is the main move. That's the buys, the move to the upside. But this sells, this little downtrend is just like a correction. After this correction or the retracement, the major move follows up, which we see price push up. So we got another correction here, which got broken as well, and price pushed up. Price pushed up after this correction. Same thing happened at this point. So this is just trying to use historical formations, moves, and patterns to predict the next move, to predict what will happen next in the market. So we've got this pattern as well, which what followed up was the buys. So currently we've got a new pattern, which is what same descending channel, and we expect the buy move to follow up. I've already gotten the breakout of this channel at this point. So basically I expect this index to buy to as high as the level of 9,783, right? That's where that's where I expect this index to buy to. And when we look closely, we'll see that we've got some interesting information on this time frame. Seeing this inverted head and shoulders, which is a bullish reversal pattern for having the left shoulder here, the head at this point, and the right shoulder here, basically, which is one of the bullish structures we've got. And seeing this, we've got higher lows and higher highs at this point, which a new structure was created, a new high was formed here, because this high is higher than the previous high, and this particular high I think is better placed this way. This first high is here, and the second high is a higher high. So the structure here is currently bullish, which I expect price to retest this zone. There was a zone formed here. When we look closely, we can see that we've got about 4 candles, 3 to 4 candles in this zone, I think we've got some bullish momentum on this zone. So if price can sell into this level, this point where we got the breakout from, I still expect the same move to happen, which is what the buy move. So that's it for the 4 time frame structure. Next, we'll go to the 1 hour time frame to analyze further. Keep analyzing from time frames to time frames. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see this structure clearly. We've seen series of higher lows and higher highs, having the first low here, the second low, a higher low, and a new low is expected to form here if price can retest this level, having the first high here and the next high a higher high. So confirming this zone, this level we expect price to buy from, we will bring up the Fibonacci retracement to placing it on these recent swing lows here and extending it to the new high, this high in particular. So you can see that this is 1.8 fib level is in line with this zone, which I set price to sell to for the buys. So this is my confirmed buy zone. Every confirmation has been met on this level. So all I'll do right now is to wait for a proper confirmation on this level to take the buys. Saying that our trade level was well spotted on the 1 hour time frame, I'll be going to the 5 minute time frame to look out for an entry confirmation on this zone, this level basically. So if price can sell into this level, I'll be looking to buy. If you can see price drop into the zone, I'll look for a good buy confirmation here to catch the buy to the upside. Bullish structure in place. The market structure is looking very good for buy opportunities. So a retest of this zone, I'll look to buy in this index, and confirmations I would be applying on this zone is basically reversal patterns like an inverted head and shoulders here, or double bottom formation on this zone on the 5 minute time frame, catching the buys to the upside. If you can get information of this kind, you'll be seeing massive buys like the market did here. So I expect the same thing to happen at this point. Now taking the buys, my stop loss will be below this structure, below this zone at this point. I think the level of below the level of 8,631. So that's, guys, that's my view and analysis on this index. You guys can also take advantage of this wonderful buy opportunity if price is yet to get to our entry point before the post of this video. And if I'm to take this buy trade, I would update you guys on the result of this trade. So for more market breakdown size and market analysis, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engaging in my videos. Give me support, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.